Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. In this video, we'll see how to launch different browser using Selenium WebDriver. So in this video, we'll see how to launch Chrome browser, Firefox browser and Edge browser. Before getting to this, we should know that what are the prerequisites required in order to launch the browser. That we'll see first now. In order to do this, we need to install the Java in your system, and as well as the Selenium jar we need to download, and you should place it in your framework and IDE, like it may be Eclipse or IntelliJ, in order to write the code. And also we require some of the driver.exe files. Something, for example, if you want to launch the Chrome browser, we need the chromedriver.exe. Similarly, for Firefox browser, if you want to launch, we need the geckodriver.exe. And if you want to launch Edge browser, we need msedgedriver.exe file. So this video will see how to download these files as well. I am assuming like you have already installed Java in your system. So if you want to know how to download Java, the link I will provide you in the description, so that you can go through that link and you can install the JDK, which is with respect to your operating system. If you still have doubt, you just put it in comment section so that I can help you out by creating the new video, a separate video for installing the Java in your system based on your operating system. Okay, now we'll see how to install the Selenium jar. Here, go to the Google page. There you need to type Selenium standalone server. Okay, if you click on this, you will get this page. So if you click on this download Selenium, there we need to check. So there is a link is provided, latest standalone version is available. So if you click on this 4.1.2, so it will download you. See here, Selenium server 4.1. This is required for your while working with the Selenium WebDriver. So you place it in whichever the place you require. And also, as we said, we need a Chrome browser as well. Let me download the Chrome driver as well, right? So we need to chromedriver.exe. Something you type like chromedriver.exe. If you enter this, so it will navigate to this page, Chrome driver web page. So if you click on this, it will provide you the latest version of the Chrome driver. So which version of the Chrome you are using, right? So based on that, we can check. See, now you are using 99.0, right? So similarly, you can go ahead with the 99.4. Don't install 98, because sometimes due to the compatibility issue, it won't support. Download this Chrome driver. Okay, once you click on this, it will navigate to this page. Here you need to select which operating system you are using. Now I am using Windows operating system. Let me click on this win32.zip. So if you click on it, it will download the .zip file. So once you open this, see, already I have downloaded this one. So this is the chromedriver.exe. In order to work with the Firefox driver, we need to download geckodriver.exe. So for that, you just type geckodriver, that is geckodriver download something. Okay, so if you click on this geckodriver, there is a github.com. there we can able to download this geckodriver. Okay, for latest version you can click on this. Okay, just scroll down this. So here you can able to find, so which version, whether it is 32-bit system operating system capacity, you need to download the required geckodriver. So I am using 64-bit my operating system, so I need to click on this. So it will start downloading your geckodriver. Here it is downloading. Then again you need to unzip this one, and you should get the geckodriver.exe files. Okay, so then finally we need one more driver, like EdgeDriver. So just type like msedgedriver.exe. So it will navigate to this page, and if you click on this, it will allow you to download 86 means 32-bit operating system, that is 64-bit operating system. So it is a Windows based, so I will click on this. So once I click on this, it will start downloading the Edge browser. So let me go back to the Eclipse now. So here I have created a Selenium basic script project. So under that, I have created one more driver here. So driver folder I have created. Let me open this as well, so that it will be easy for you to to catch up the point, because I have stored all the drivers here. So this is our this is my project path. So let me open the project path here. Okay, this is my project. So here I have created one driver folder. There I pasted all our chromedriver, geckodriver, msedgedriver server and msedgedriver. These are all the .exe files. The same version we can able to see here. So let me show you here. See here you can see the chromedriver.exe, geckodriver and msedgedriver. As I have taken the Selenium server, right, this one I have downloaded already. I have placed into this. So how to download it? Just after creating the project. So how to create the project? Just file, go to file, new. There is a Java project. You click on this. So as I have already created, right? So I don't want to create it again because I have created Selenium basic script, right? And click on finish. It will going to create a project for you. Okay, there we need to download by default, as you have updated the JDK in your system. So by default, it will take the JDK. No need to import the JDK related the jar files. Okay, by default, it will, once you create a project, it will going to create this one. This one Selenium we need to add separately, import it separately. So how to get that one? So once you create a project, you right click on this and go to the build path. There click on the config build path. Now you need to import it. So there is a link called external add external jars, right? If you click on that, you should navigate to the respective Java. See, Selenium server already have downloaded. You just click on open and it will go and add to your project. So this I have already taken, so I am not going to do it again. So now all the configuration is done. So what are the things are required? The JDK by default it is required. Eclipse, anyhow we need to record. This is called Eclipse window, guys. Okay, so here we need to write our code. Then we have added the another prerequisite Selenium jars, and we have added the .exe files as well. See, I have already created one class. So how to create a class? You create a one package. There we need to right click, go to class. Then here you can create your classes by name and click on finish. Okay, so as I already created, so let me open this launch browser because I already created the code for it. So this is the code to write the launch the Chrome driver. First three set is, first one is to launch the browser, and second one is I have written for the Firefox driver, and third one is the Edge browser. Okay, so now we'll see first one by one like how to launch the Chrome browser. We need to property, we need to set the System.setProperty. This one we need to use the same one for all the browser. Like in only thing is that only which browser we are adding, that we need to add. Like webdriver is same, webdriver.chrome.driver. So here we need to paste the path of the driver which you have already downloaded, this path till here. Okay, this is my project path. Till here you need to copy, and the chromedriver.exe, that also you need to add it here. Okay, till that path I copy and pasted here. Till that is a path. Driver, so we need to paste the driver chromedriver.exe file as well. This if you copy paste here, right? See, there is a single backward slash, but make sure that we need to add the double backward slash here for everywhere. Okay, we need to add double. Only that is the changes we need to make, and make sure that you are adding the chromedriver.exe as well. So this is the setup now. So we are setting the properties here. Okay, after that we need to define the WebDriver. Let me open that as well. Let me remove this. How to once you add this webdriver.driver, new Chrome driver, so it will ask me to import the WebDriver. So open QA.selenium WebDriver. So let me click on this. So it is imported successfully. Now again the Chrome driver class we need to import it from the same package. So once that is done, now we have initiated the object. Based on this object, right, we need to launch our browser. So since we have declared for the Chrome driver, driver.get. So here let me show you this. So driver.get string URL. So this one you need to select, and there we need to paste this path. So any website which you are going to automate, that we can pass. Now I have taken my own website, that is ProTechBeach.com. Still you should copy and paste. Don't copy only www.com. We need to pass from here HTTP till here to here. You need to copy, and yeah, that should be under double quote. We need to copy this and it should be under double quote. You need to write. Similarly I have written. So let me delete the one more duplicate. Okay, So this is done. So this one extra I have added to, I will show you how it works. Okay, this is how. So now these three code is mandatory to launch the Chrome driver. So let me run this program. We'll see whether it is launching the Chrome browser or not. Okay, so I just clicked on run button. So see it is launched the Chrome browser, and it will navigate to the website which I mentioned in the code, right? It is successfully launching the browser, Chrome browser. So now I need to see, since it is not a maximized state, so let me add one more code like this one. So driver.manage.windows.maximize, this code will help you to maximize the window. So let me run this program. It is launched the browser, and it will navigate to the defined website, and it will maximize the driver. Now we'll see. Yeah, it is maximized. So this is how the Chrome browser will work in the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, let me comment these lines and let me just move on to the next one, that is how to launch FirefoxDriver. Okay, here instead of here we have written Chrome, here we need to write the Gecko in order to launch the FirefoxDriver. So similarly, path is same path, but only thing is that geckodriver.exe, this is one we are referring to, this one geckodriver.exe file we need to. Okay, so once it is downloaded, so once it is imported successfully, we are ready to launch the FirefoxDriver. Only few things we have done, only this path, the geckodriver we have written, and we need to use the object we need to create for the FirefoxDriver class. Okay, so with the remaining steps are same, like driver.get, and you should write the site name where we need to automate. So let me run this program. So it should launch FirefoxDriver now. So make sure that we have successfully installed the Firefox browser in your system, otherwise it will throw some exceptions. Okay, so now we'll see whether it is launching this Firefox browser or not. Yeah, it is launched for Firefox browser. Now it will navigate to the website which we provided in the script, that is www.ProTechBeach.com. So it is launched successfully. Now the second code also working fine now. Now we'll quickly, so these are all optional, whether you want you can add it driver.manage. Here also we can add it, that is there are driver.manage.windows.maximize. so these are the method to maximize the windows. So let me run it again, whether it is maximized or not, we'll see. Yeah, it is launched the Firefox driver. Yeah, now it is maximized the window as well. Okay, so now this is how the Firefox we can launch. Now we'll quickly move on to the next one, the how to launch the Edge browser. Again, almost similar to the previous one, only few modifications we need to do in order to launch the Edge driver. So those are like, let me comment out this line. Okay, Edge browser, this is just comment it out. We need to import the Edge driver. Okay, once you do that, we need to write Edge here, the webdriver.edge.driver. Then the path we need to update like msedgedriver.exe, that we need to mention here. Remaining all are same. Then only now we need to call the EdgeDriver class while creating the object. Okay, now rest will be the same. Let me run this program and we'll see whether it works fine or not. It should launch Edge browser now. So it takes a few seconds to launch the browser. So it is launched now, the MS Edge driver. It is launched MS Edge browser. So and it will navigate to the website which we specified. Okay, so this is how we can launch Chrome browser, Firefox browser and Edge browser. Similarly, we can launch some other browser as well. So this video is sufficient for you to launch any browser in the Selenium WebDriver. Almost similar way we need to follow the steps. So next step is different, that is a coding part. We need to validate like whether we are in the right page or not. Okay, that validations we'll see in the next video, and how to identify the element, how to find the XPath of particular element. Okay, those we'll check in the next video. And finally, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for further video. Thank you.